YouTube? Welcome back. My name is Sarah and today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. I'm sorry that I really haven't had much of any other kind of videos up for a while, but with injuries and now I've been going out of town, helping my mother-in-law with her house, and so it's just been a lot and I'm just trying to get something up for you at this point in time. But I really like doing this and sharing what I got because these are kind of videos that I love to watch, and so I hope that you do too. If you love unboxing videos, give us a thumbs up down there, you know, where that little guy is, you know. So we are just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing that we have is a flyer, and it's for their new subscription category, I guess you would call it, that they have coming out. It's going to be called BoxyCharm 2.0? Oh, BoxyCharm Premium, yeah. So there is going to be a whole bunch of details. Why is it stuck to each other? Weird. Oh, I have something leaking. Don't leak. I need tissue. So my box has been sitting here for a little while, to be honest. I just haven't had time, and I was out of town. I left town shortly after receiving this, so that was just kind of how it happened, but thought I would still do the video. I didn't open the box this whole time. Just thought I would keep it a surprise for myself and open it up on camera. So we'll see what we got. Okay, so I will just run through what I got, the price of it, and then I'll try it on and I'll let you know what we think. I think that'll be the layout of the video. Okay, so what do I have here? I don't know. Let's see if I can do it like real business-like, right? Tinted Brow Gel by Mellow, and it is valued at $16. All right. We have another, let me get the plastic off. It's another Hank and Harry item. So the last box, the Hank and Harry sent or included the Blickety Black liquid eyeliner pen, which I really like. I took it on my trip with me and I used it. So we have another Hank and Harry item. It is Slick With It Mascara Duo. Is it a primer and mascara? So it is valued at $19. I'm thinking it's probably a ooh. Oh. Okay, this is actually really cool. You guys, look, come on. Okay, so look, so on this side, we have your regular mascara. So it's black. Yeah, it's the color black. So that's for your, you know, regular lash, right? Check this out. Boom, 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 boom. I actually don't own mascara like this. It's for your lower lashes. It's lower lash mascara. That is so cool. I have never bothered to buy one for myself like that. It's a vegan mascara, not only waterproof, but it doesn't flake or transfer. That's basically what it is. Okay, awesome, excited. Okay, so then our next item is Prep Set and Glow. This is what was leaking inside of my box, but it is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. You know, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's valued at $29. Now, I already did my base, so I have on foundation and concealer, which is what I set it with a powder, just not knowing what was in this. So I won't be getting to use this to prep, but I don't know. I can try setting with at the end. I'm not going anywhere. There's no risk. The last item is a Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas eyeshadow palette valued at $32, which also gives us a running total of, spoke too soon. This is who's the brand? Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Look how long this sucker is. Super long, valued at $7. Like, I don't mind that there's like inexpensive items in this box, like at all. I think it's fine. Like, it's a long pencil. Okay, let's throw some of this on. So it actually came with a brush. I didn't know they had a brush for theirs, so that's cool. All right, guys, we are going to run this. I will probably fast forward and skip through a bunch of this, but we are going to be, I guess I'll start with my brows. and I will catch you on the other side. Oh, I need a mirror.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Oh, and I just thought that I would let you know too. So it comes with 5 shades, and they are all matte shades. So they're totally there's no shimmers or metallics of any kind.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Okay guys, that is it. I'm not adding, just because I didn't have with me a blush and highlighter. It did come in the box, so I thought I would just leave it like with what I got in the box. I really enjoyed the shades that came inside the palette. The brush, however, that came inside of it, the handle of it in the middle is so thin, it's almost hard and like hurtful to hold. The brush is, oops, let's see if you can see this. So it's super skinny. Let me show you a normal size one. Okay, normal, the one that came inside of it, way too different. Okay, but also I would say that the blending end is okay, but the tippy part here is just so stiff. Like it even actually didn't even really work for doing my lower lash line. So, and these are like the colors that I love. I love to combine these types of colors with like metallics and shimmers and stuff. So I'm feeling right now this kohl liner transferring. And I know like kohl liner, it doesn't set down. I probably should put a black shadow on top of it to really like set it down. It was a little bit stiff to use at first, but then it just needed to be warmed up, which is really common for a kohl liner. So that's okay. The mascara I totally love. I'm just super stoked on the lower lash line brush, but I also thought that the wand did a really good job for separating and lifting and creating some volume for my upper lash line. It's not like alone like the most wow mascara ever, but we're going to be leaving again, and so I will be taking this one with me most likely. So it just kind of eliminates, I don't know, I usually take multiple mascaras. I probably still will. Let's be real. And then I just tried the spray, and the smell is it glowy? It really is glowy, isn't it? I don't know if I can really get the glow to come across on camera, but I definitely do see it in looking in the mirror, and it's not too much. I don't think that I would take a lot of use out of this. So the brow gel, I mean, it's a typical size wand, but I wish it was smaller still, because even though I have like a good amount of brow, it would have been nicer for it to be smaller, because you can see how I actually had to kind of erase a little bit where I went out of the lines. That was just, you know, just my fault too. There's not a lot of hold. Like, it's probably gonna give me some hold. Yeah, see, like I just screwed it up again. But like when it was already dried down, I wasn't getting a real stiff, like crunchy type of brow feel, which I don't know. I think there's a time and a place for both of those. There's been times when I definitely need that. I've got a lot of brow. In fact, I could probably trim them right now. It would be good. I would say it's an okay box. Like, there's no fail items. I don't prefer probably the kohl because it's not super setting, like setting down. And if I were to use this on my lower lash line, it would probably slide over my face, all over my face. I don't know what it is about my eyes, but like any, especially black liner or dark liner that I put on my lower lash line, more so out in this corner, just wants to like bleed down my face. So I don't do that a lot. I most of the time I'll try to remember not to put something there. Anyhow, so yeah, no major fails. Love BoxyCharm. And it's okay if they have a fail once in a while, because how could they not, you know? But I think for me, like the spray is probably my least favorite. Really love the eyeshadow palette, and I really love the mascara. The brow gel I can always use some more of, and I would just say the eyeliner is kind of so-so. So yeah, total value of my box is right here. There she is. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you do, please make sure to go down there, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. We will get on the schedule again when I get home from the holidays, I guess. I don't know when, you guys. It's gonna be crazy. I feel like I have eyelash in my eye. Oh no. Ugh. Anyways, that is going to be it for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay blessed. Bye-bye.